Marian Karmakar from Bharat Petroleum, and here's my colleague, Madhu Sagar. Having just taken the pledge for the Swachh Bharat initiative, how do you plan to spend these 2 hours every week towards this initiative?
Well, I'm very much motivated, but before that, I would like to tell you, I'll just hold it, that, cleanliness is somewhere I'm very passionate about it, and I do not know why it is in my destiny also, because wherever I have worked, whichever department I have worked, the first thing which I have done is the cleansing of my office, whether it was in Delhi in LPG or in coordination department, or right now when I have taken over as GM Vigilance, we have really cleansing the department. This is something which is there in my destiny. Just taken the pledge, and I was just thinking what are the 3 things which I would like to do. The one thing is that, I would like to give respect to those people who are doing cleansing work in our office, and I would like to encourage them. That is first. Second thing which I would like to do is that, anybody who is throwing garbage or water bottle or any plastic, this thing, I'm going to tell them, look, this is not the right thing to do. And also, whenever I'm traveling in the bus stops or taxi walas or anything, I'm going to ask them to take pledge on that, and I will teach them on whatever I have learned in my life that, we have to keep our city clean about it. The third thing which I would like to do, since I'm in vigilance, I'm going to take charge on my floor, and, being in vigilance, I can intrude in anybody's room and tell them that you have to keep your room clean. And especially girls, you have to take care of your toilets, because I've seen the girls, they're splashing water here and there. A lot of things is required to teach them about it. So these are the 3 things which I have thought I can do it sitting in the capacity. And being in vigilance, I can tell you, sudhar jao nahi to sudhar dungi.
Thank you very much, Madhu.